Hi everyone. Our today's question is in how many ways we can open a URL in a browser using Selenium WebDriver. Okay. So today's question is in how many ways we can open or load URL in browser in Selenium WebDriver. Okay. So there are two ways. One is get method and second is navigate dot to method. Okay. So let me show you practically how to do that. Let me launch Eclipse, and I am already having one Selenium project with the TestNG configured. Okay. Let me create one new class here, and I will name as demo load URL methods. Okay. So in this I will create one test case, public void demo scenario. Okay. So in this I will create one Chrome driver here. That driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Okay. And for that I need to set the path of Chrome driver.exe. I am having Chrome driver.exe in my sources folder. Okay, this is the path. So we need to system dot set property, and we have to pass the value here WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. Okay, and in the second argument we have to pass the creation of this exe file. Okay, right click on this, click on properties, copy this whole path and click on cancel or paste it here. So we have successfully configured one driver of Chrome browser. Okay, so first method is, so first we'll discuss about get method to launch URL. Okay, so driver.get method. Okay, so we will launch stackoverflow.com. Okay, and we'll use some sleep here because execution is very fast. I'm just putting 2 seconds of thread.sleep. Click on this to solve this error. Click on add code declaration. Okay, now close the driver.close. Okay, so let me run the script and see that get method will launch this URL in browser. Okay, so this is our class. Click on run as testng.txt. It's launching browser and it will open stackoverflow.com. Okay, and it will close the browser. Yeah, so this was the one method. Okay, second method is, now we will try with the second method I showed you. First method is get method. Now second method is navigate method. Okay, navigate to. How to use that? Let's see. So now we are commenting this get method. Okay, so we will use driver dot navigate dot to. Okay, and we have to pass a URL here, http and stackoverflow.com. Okay, let's run the script. Now we are not using get method, we are using navigate method. Okay, run as and test. So have a look, it's launching to Stack Overflow and it's done. So it's not like that you can use these methods only one time. In your script or test case, you can use these statements multiple times. Okay, you can use get also, navigate also. That will be try with both. Okay, so let's suppose initially I'm launching stackoverflow.com, and after some time, let me comment on this. After 2 seconds, I want to switch to website yahoo.com. Okay, that means I can use driver dot navigate dot to. Okay, and http yahoo.com. Okay, in this case we are using get method to launch the website, and we are using navigate method to just move to yahoo.com. okay, and navigate methods has different methods. Okay, so in navigation interface you can have navigate back and navigate forward method. Okay, so let me show you. Let me put some sleep here. Sleep. Okay, after first of all we will launch stackoverflow.com. okay, and after 2 seconds of wait we will navigate to yahoo.com. okay, and after 2 seconds of wait we will navigate back to Stack Overflow. Okay, so to do that, driver dot navigate dot back. Okay, so it will redirect back to the stackoverflow.com. okay, and after 2 seconds, let's suppose we want to come to the Yahoo again. Okay, we want to launch the Yahoo website again, so we will put some sleep here, and we can use driver dot navigate dot forward. Okay, so it will first of all it will launch Stack Overflow, and then it will navigate to yahoo.com. okay, on the same browser window, and after that it will navigate back to Stack Overflow. okay, and after that it will redirect to yahoo.com. okay, and yeah, this is the whole scenario. So let me put some breakpoint here. Toggle breakpoint. Okay, toggle breakpoint and toggle breakpoint. So let's run this script. We will press F11. So breakpoint will hit there. So it launching. So this method is executed. This one. So now we will launch driver.get. It will launch stackoverflow.com. okay. So browser is launched, and we are at driver.get method. So this line will just launch the browser. It will not open any site on the Chrome browser. Okay. So now driver.get method will launch this website in the browser. Okay. Let's press F6, and yeah. So have a look. It's opening stackoverflow.com. Okay. Now we are at this sleep method. Okay, so now we have a look. We are at the stackoverflow.com page. Now let me show you. Let me switch to now driver.navigate.to line. Okay, so I will press F6 here. So it will navigate to yahoo.com. Have a look. It's navigating to yahoo.com. So now thread.sleep for 2 seconds. Okay. Now if we use navigate.back, it will redirect back to the. It will just click on this button. Okay. Kind of. Let me click on this back button. So I will execute this line driver.navigate.back. Okay. So it will redirect us to the stackoverflow.com. Have a look. So we are at stackoverflow.com. Okay. So our next line is sorry, driver.navigate.forward. Okay, so it's a kind of click on this button. Okay, forward button. This is for navigate.back to click on this button. Okay, and navigate.forward to click on this button. Okay, and we have another option to click on this button, navigate.refresh. Okay, this button is used to refresh the browser. Okay, so we can just click on this refresh button. We have command for that. You can use driver.navigate.refresh. Okay, so these are 3 commands. I will terminate the execution because I added the code. Okay, so let me launch the browser and I will show you manually. Let me open stackoverflow.com. So driver.navigate.back. Okay, this method is used to click on this button, back button. Okay, and driver.navigate.forward, this statement is used to click on this button, that is disabled now. Okay, if I go back to yahoo.com, this button is enabled now. Okay, forward method you use to click on this button. And we have third method, that is navigate.refresh. This method you use to click on this button to refresh the page. Okay, so these are methods to launch URL on your browser. Okay, so you have two methods, get method and navigate.to method. Okay, using these two methods you can launch URL in your browser. Mostly when you start your script, get method you use to launch your URL. Okay, whenever you create your test case, okay, first of all get method you use to launch the URL in the browser, and navigate.to method you use to if you want to redirect your URL to something else. Okay, it's a good approach. If let's suppose you are automating one site like abc.com. Okay, and first of all, in the initial of your script you should use driver.get abc.com. Okay, and in the next statement, that's why you want to redirect to page abc.com and slash pages photos. Okay, if you want to redirect to this page slash photos, you should use driver.navigate.to. Okay, this is ideal approach, like this. So you should use driver.get to launch the website only with the same domain, and if you want to open any further URL of the same domain, you should go with the driver.navigate.to. Okay, and in navigation you have different methods, driver.navigate back, driver.navigate.forward. Okay, and driver.navigate refresh to refresh the browser. Okay, it will completely reload the browser. Okay, it's like pressing F5 on your browser. Okay, so this is the answer to your question, how many ways you can open or load URL in browser in Selenium WebDriver. So you have two methods, get method and navigate.to method. That's all guys for this question. Thank you so much.